Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have come to Matheran and I'm going to show you some amazing birds that you can find here. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. So guys, I hope you like the birds that I've shown you in my video that you will find in Matheran. You can come here in the winter guys and experience the pleasant climate and the birds. But you can come here guys and you can enjoy nature. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Matheran trip in the monsoon. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.